Imagine a place so wild, so untamed, that nature itself has put up a "Do Not Enter" sign. A place where the rules of survival are written not by humans, but by the creatures that call it home. This is a land where the jungle grows thick, and the air hums with the presence of unseen life, a true testament to the raw power of nature. This isn't a fantasy, this is Ilha da Queimada Grande, better known as Snake Island. It's a real place, shrouded in mystery and legend, and feared by even the bravest adventurers. Its reputation is so notorious that few dare to even approach its shores. Just 90 miles off Brazil's coast, it rises from the Atlantic like a lost world, its rocky cliffs and dense forests standing as silent sentinels against intruders. The island is small, just over 100 acres, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in danger. From afar, it looks like paradise, with lush greenery and sparkling blue waters, but beneath this beauty lies a deadly secret, making it a place you never want to set foot on. The danger here is real, and it lurks in every shadow and under every leaf. The island's secret, an army of venomous snakes evolved in total isolation. These snakes are not just any snakes, they are among the most dangerous on the planet, and they outnumber humans on the island by the thousands. Thousands of years ago, rising seas cut it off from the mainland, trapping animals in a unique evolutionary experiment. With no way to escape, the creatures here were forced to adapt to their new, isolated world, leading to some of the most fascinating evolutionary changes on Earth. Among them, pit vipers, forced to adapt to a world without rodents. With their usual prey gone, these snakes faced a challenge that would shape their destiny and the fate of the island itself. Their solution? Hunt the migratory birds that stop here. Over generations, these snakes developed faster-acting venom, capable of quickly immobilizing birds before they could fly away, turning the island into a living laboratory of natural selection. This pressure cooker of evolution created a snake found nowhere else, the golden lancehead. Its venom is so potent, it can melt human flesh, and its rarity has made it a subject of fascination for scientists and collectors alike. Today, the island is a hauntingly beautiful fortress, illegal to visit without special government permission. The Brazilian Navy strictly controls access, and only a handful of scientists are allowed to study its secrets each year. The density of snakes here is legendary, every step could be your last. Some estimates suggest there may be one snake for every square meter, making it one of the most dangerous places on Earth for humans. Snake Island is a place where nature, not humans, rules. Here, the balance of life and death is maintained by the creatures that have adapted to survive in this harsh, isolated environment. It's a stark reminder that some wild places are best left untouched. The island stands as a living example of what happens when nature is allowed to evolve without human interference. The story of this island is about survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance of a unique ecosystem. Every creature here plays a role, and the web of life is both fragile and fierce. It's a story we need to understand and respect. Snake Island challenges us to recognize the limits of our reach, and to appreciate the wild mysteries that still exist beyond our control. So how many snakes are we talking about? Snake Island, or Ilha da Queimada Grande, is infamous for its dense population of one of the world's deadliest vipers. The numbers are staggering. Estimates say between 2,000 and 4,000 golden lanceheads inhabit this tiny island. That's an astonishing number considering the island is only about 110 acres, roughly the size of 80 football fields. That's a snake every few feet. Nowhere else on Earth has such a concentration. It's a place where the ground seems to move, alive with serpentine motion. The golden lancehead, Bothrops insularis, is found only here. This species is so unique it's become a symbol of the island's isolation and evolutionary power. Its golden color camouflages it perfectly among the leaves and branches. This adaptation helps it ambush prey and avoid detection by predators, though on this island it reigns supreme. These pit vipers can grow over 2 feet long, making them formidable hunters. Their size, combined with their agility, allows them to strike with incredible speed and accuracy. They hunt with heat-sensing pits, even in darkness. These specialized organs detect the body heat of birds, their primary prey, allowing them to strike with deadly precision at night, or in thick undergrowth. With no mammals to hunt, they evolved to target birds, developing venom so potent it kills almost instantly. This adaptation ensures their prey doesn't escape, even if it tries to fly away. Their semi-arboreal lifestyle means danger lurks both on the ground and in the trees. Whether slithering through the leaf litter or coiled on a branch, these snakes are always on the hunt. Every inch of the island is their domain. There's no safe path, no untouched corner. This is truly their kingdom. The golden lancehead is a master of its environment, a terrifying product of evolution. Its presence dominates the island, shaping every aspect of life here. Here, you don't just watch your step, you watch above your head too. The threat is everywhere, making every movement a calculated risk. Snake Island is evolution's most chilling showcase, a place where nature's most dangerous secrets are hidden in plain sight, and survival is a daily challenge for all who enter. The golden lancehead's venom is legendary, up to 5 times more potent than its mainland cousins. It evolved to kill birds before they could escape, making it one of the world's deadliest snake venoms. A bite is a medical emergency. The venom destroys tissue, prevents blood from clotting, and can cause fatal bleeding or organ failure. Even with treatment, survival isn't guaranteed, yet this deadly venom is also a source of hope. Its unique proteins have inspired life-saving drugs for heart disease and blood pressure. Scientists believe it could hold keys to new medicines for blood clots and even cancer. The golden lancehead's venom is a paradox, deadly in nature, but potentially life-saving in the lab. It's a reminder that even the most dangerous creatures can offer humanity something invaluable. On Snake Island, death and discovery go hand in hand. The danger of Snake Island is so extreme, the Brazilian government has made it strictly off-limits. This isn't just a precaution, it's a matter of life and death. The island is home to one of the world's most venomous snakes, the golden lancehead, and their numbers are so high that stepping foot here is like entering a natural minefield. Only researchers with special permits and a doctor carrying anti-venom are allowed to land. Even these visits are rare and tightly controlled, with every precaution taken to minimize risk. Scientists must undergo rigorous training and follow strict protocols before setting foot on the island. Even then, every step is taken with extreme caution. The risk of a fatal bite is ever present. The snakes blend perfectly into the undergrowth, making them nearly invisible until it's too late. One wrong move could be deadly. Local legends like the doomed lighthouse keeper and his family underscore the island's deadly reputation. Stories of mysterious disappearances and tragic accidents have only added to the island's mystique, fueling fear and fascination in equal measure. The lighthouse is now automated. No one lives here anymore. The days of human presence are long gone, replaced by machines that require no protection from the island's slithering inhabitants. But the ban isn't just for human safety, it's also to protect the snakes. Human interference could devastate this delicate population which exists nowhere else on Earth. The golden lancehead is critically endangered and its habitat is fragile. Even small disturbances can have lasting impacts, threatening the survival of this rare species. Human visitors could introduce diseases, trample vegetation, or start fires. The ecosystem here is so unique and sensitive that even a single careless act could cause irreparable harm. The ban preserves this unique ecosystem and its remarkable resident. By keeping people away, the island remains a sanctuary for the golden lancehead and countless other species that depend on this isolated environment. Snake Island is a fortress, protecting both people and snakes. Its isolation is its greatest defense, creating a natural barrier that keeps danger and disturbance at bay. Here, the rules are simple: stay away, for everyone's sake. The warnings are clear, and the reasons are undeniable. Some places are meant to remain wild. Snake Island stands as a powerful reminder that sometimes the best way to protect nature and ourselves is to simply let it be. Despite the ban, thrill seekers and poachers still risk everything to set foot on Snake Island. They sneak in at night, unprepared and unequipped, gambling with their lives and those of local fishermen. For some, it's about the adrenaline rush. For others, it's the lure of black market profits. The golden lancehead is highly prized by collectors and illegal traders. These reckless visits threaten not just the people involved, but the fragile ecosystem itself. Trampled plants, disturbed snakes, and the risk of fire all endanger the island's balance. Brazilian authorities crack down hard, fines and prison await those caught. The message is clear: Snake Island is not a playground. Its dangers are real and its protection is non-negotiable. Ironically, the world's deadliest snake is also one of its most endangered. The golden lancehead's entire population is trapped on this tiny island, making it incredibly vulnerable. Habitat loss from wildfires or vegetation changes could wipe them out. Their survival depends on migratory birds, but climate change and deforestation threaten these vital food sources. Inbreeding is another risk. Limited genetic diversity leads to health problems and less adaptability. Even a single disaster could push the species to extinction. The fate of the golden lancehead is tied to forces far beyond its island home. Protecting it means safeguarding the entire ecosystem, from the snakes to the birds. On Snake Island, survival is a daily struggle. The viper's fight is a stark warning about the fragility of isolated species. Human greed is a growing threat to the golden lancehead. The snake's rarity and deadly reputation make it a target for poachers and collectors willing to pay thousands for a single specimen. Illegal capture disrupts the population and pushes the species closer to extinction. Some even seek the snake for its valuable venom, fueling a shadowy black market. The Brazilian Navy patrols the island, but the threat remains. Conservationists fight back with education and strict enforcement. The battle to save the golden lancehead is as much against poachers as it is against nature. Its survival depends on stopping the illegal trade. Snake Island is more than a danger zone, it's a living laboratory. Scientists study the golden lancehead's evolution, gaining insights into adaptation and natural selection. The island's untouched ecosystem is a rare window into how nature works without human interference. Research here helps us understand predator-prey dynamics, ecosystem balance, and the role of apex predators. The snake's venom is a treasure trove for medical science, inspiring new drugs and treatments. Protecting the island preserves not just a species, but a source of knowledge and potential cures. The loss of the golden lancehead would be a tragedy for science and medicine. Conservation here is about more than snakes. It's about preserving a unique natural archive. Snake Island's secrets could change the world. Ilha da Queimada Grande is a place where beauty and danger collide. Its story is one of isolation, adaptation, and survival against the odds. The golden lancehead, both deadly and endangered, is a symbol of nature's power and fragility. Protecting this island means respecting its wildness and enforcing strict bans on visitors and poachers. The threats are real: poaching, habitat loss, and climate change all loom large. But the island's value goes beyond its dangers. It's a living museum of evolution and a beacon for scientific discovery. Not every beautiful place is meant for us to visit. Some places must be left alone, protected for their own sake. Snake Island is one such place, a unique jewel we have a responsibility to preserve. Its future depends on our respect and our restraint.